This is a trace-by-trace tutorial that will show you how to draw the chainsaw devil, Pochita. To learn how to draw Pochita, we need to understand what it looks like. He appears to be a small orange canine-like devil with a chainsaw-like appendage protruding from the center of his head. Handles emerge from his body, allowing him to be wielded like a chainsaw, and his short tail is in the shape of a chainsaw's pull cord. Let's begin. To start a Chainsaw Man Pochita drawing, we begin from its forehead, exactly at the base of Pochita's chainsaw blade. It is shaped very similar to a football cut half. We continue on the same trace and draw half of its snout. As you can see, we open a little bit from lost trace and make half a circle. Now we start drawing Pochita's back handle. We draw a straight line at 20 degrees angle, give or take, going a little bit into Pochita's body. This will give us a reference for the most fun part coming next. We are going to start drawing Pochita's chainsaw. You can see the blade does not come from the back but from the forehead. That's important. But you should use the same angle the back has so it looks cohesive. Now we draw the tip of the blade, which is a semicircle, and complete the blade with a line going back straight where the snout begins. No doubt you will learn how to draw Pochita from Chainsaw Man, easy, step by step if you keep going like this. We finished to draw the snout. Remember, we only had one half of it. So we draw another semicircle. That's done. There's no mistake now, we can clearly see we are drawing Pochita from Chainsaw Man. This next part is a little tricky. We are going to draw another blade inside the one we already drew. This is going to be the blade's side, some sort of protection for the blade's mechanism. The shape is exactly the same, just smaller. We finish the semicircle and make a straight line back to the head. We are going to complete the inner part of the back handle. For this we make a little line at around 20 degrees angle and connect it to the other side of the handle with a 90 degrees line. To complete the handle, we are going to draw the outer part of it. We make a line starting where the forehead and blade meet. Go up using the inner part of the handle as reference. But here we are going to make rounded edges instead of sharp edges. Remember, for this part draw rounded edges and use the inner part as reference. The angles should be the same. Now we make another semicircle that makes for the part where the handle fuses with Pochita's body. I bet you didn't think drawing Pochita was so easy. Next step, we are going to draw Pochita's chin. For this we make a nice curve coming down from the half of the left part of the snout. For the eye you could use a compass, because we are going to draw two perfect circles. One for the actual eye, and a smaller one for the pupil. Don't make the pupil perfectly centered, draw it a little bit off center to the upper left so it appears like Pochita is watching up to Denji. We are almost finished with the face. Now we are going to draw the mouth. For this we draw a U under the snout. For the teeth we draw two little kinda sharp U's under the snout. To complete Pochita's mouth, all we are missing is the tongue, so we trace a curve inside the mouth. The face is complete. So we are going to complete the blade as well. We are missing the blade's teeth, so for this we are drawing 7 right-angle triangles all along Pochita's chainsaw blade. Now that we drew the big teeth, we have to draw 7 smaller right-angle triangles in between the big teeth. A good size is around half the size of the big ones. The blade is finally complete. Now we draw Pochita's back with a straight line. We are going to keep drawing the body, continuing with the legs and feet. Pochita's legs and feet are actually pretty simple. For the front left leg we draw 2 lines. And then we connect the lines with a long C that forms the foot. Don't forget the toes. Pochita has 3 toes, so we draw 2 lines. Next on this how to draw Pochita tutorial we are tracing the left hind leg. For this we resume from the back's line but don't make the line continuous, this will give a sensation of depth to Pochita's tail. We keep going down. Now we draw the thigh with a big open C. And then the foot with an elongated C. And 2 more lines for the toes. The next step is very simple. We are finishing the chest and belly, with this Pochita's body is complete. Now we complete the missing legs. First the right front one which is pretty similar to the left leg. Now we draw the foot. Don't forget the toes. The right back foot is very simple. It's just an elongated C with toes. This Pochita drawing is coming up nicely. For Pochita's tail we draw a big reversed C. And for the base of the tail we almost complete some sort of triangle. Now we draw a line parallel to the C all along the tail. Do you remember at the beginning we said Pochita's tail is a pull cord? Well, we have to draw a handle grip for Denji to start the engine. For this we draw 2 triangles. The only part missing is the rear handle. For this we draw a square C. And that's it. We completely draw Pochita from scratch. I really hope you enjoyed this step-by-step how to draw Pochita tutorial for beginners. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. We are going to keep posting how to draw videos.